Hello, theme park fans. This is it. Finally, the moment we've been waiting for since June of 2017 when the walls went up around Cyclone Bay. West Coast Racers has gone vertical and track has been installed. What a crazy amount of progress the park has made in a 24-hour window. This recently built part is obviously the final brake run into the station. The track is pretty high up, and I don't know how high the station is going to be, but from the rendering it looks to be the same height as full throttle station. In front of the go-karts we have more work towards placing footers, whether it be lowering the rebar cylinders into the ground or filling them up with concrete. There are still lots of rebar cylinders on site, so they aren't quite done with footer placement yet. From the rendering, the track and supports go right over this walkway as well, and it'll be neat to see how this coaster interacts with the new area. We also have some workers on Apocalypse working on the retracking that was done over the winter. Also, many more new footers have been placed to the left of the go-karts and throughout it. For the rest of the update, I'm just going to show off the construction without talking over it. This is all very exciting news and something I know many of you, including myself, have been waiting for almost a year. Who knows how long we have to wait until we start seeing some testing. Anyways, enjoy the update. One last big thing that's going on around the park is that they were busy repainting the walkways to this burgundy color. They were doing this all the way from the Grand Carousel to the entrance of Tatsu. Well, that's all for this huge West Coast Racers and mini park update. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed, and please subscribe for more updates on SoCal theme parks.